If your Samsung washer is displaying this code, all you got to do is go down to the bottom left in the front and drain the hose out, and then we're going to clean the filter. You're supposed to clean the filter once every 2 months. This has never been cleaned, but Project Product is on it. All right, so the first thing you're going to do is push this in and open it up. Some others might have a clip on the top you can pop out. All right, so there's going to be a little hose in here. Pull that out. We're going to want to start draining this out before we take the filter off, which is right there. I've got a bucket here beside me, but what I'm going to do is use this smart water bottle to drain this out. Pinch it, pull it, and get it draining. As it gets closer to the top, I'll just pinch it off and dump the rest into this bucket off to the side of me. This just in, I just removed this plastic casing. It was really easy. I literally just popped it and pulled it off just to give me a little extra space. It will when we clean the filter.
No, it won't.
You're supposed to be my helper, and you're putting a lot of negative energy on me right now. The help is back.
Well, it's
Are you the help?
Yes, I am.
Okay, you are. All right, now what I'm going to do is place this towel underneath for caution. Okay, here we go. I'm going to pull this thing out and see how it's looking. Please don't do anything crazy.
So you will be enough.
Okay, and it's disgusting. That's pretty bad.
Can I touch it?
No, absolutely
Can I
not.
hold it?
We're gonna go ahead and dispose and clean this thing out pretty good. Pull this thing apart,
Do you need
clean
help?
it out, and we'll plug it back up.
Do you need help?
Sure. All right, so I just cleaned it out. I didn't have to take anything apart at all. I just pulled all the gunk and hair. There were literally quarters, dimes, pieces of plastic Tupperware, plastic wrap. It was horrifying, but nice and clean now. Screw it back in. There, and it makes a click. Nice click sound to let you know it's secure. And I'm gonna take this plug that I had and plug the hose back up. Nice. Here we go. All right, here's that plastic piece. I'll throw that in there. Then there's a spot for the hose. Clip it back up there. All right, we should be good to go. I'm going to test it out, and hopefully our error is now gone. All right, the moment of truth. It's alive. It's doing things. Another case solved by Project Product. Subscribe for more videos coming up. We did it again. I'm back. Home maintenance, appliances, plumbing, electrical, all winging it. Like, subscribe, share, hit that notification bell, and we'll catch you guys in the next video. Thanks again.